How are you? I hope your Saturday is going well. Today I'm all dressed up in an Indian costume which is called sari, and this sari is not mine, it belongs to my mom because today I'm feeling very nostalgic. It's an Indian festival called Rakhi when we celebrate the bond of brothers and sisters, and on this special occasion my mom would always get me dressed up in her sari, her makeup and her jewelry. So I'm feeling very nostalgic, going back to my childhood days, childhood memories, and I'm reliving all those moments on that special day, the Rakhi day. Rakhi is actually a lot more like Friendship Day, where we tie Rakhi. It's a thread, it's a band on our brother's wrist, and we pray for their success, and they promise to protect us throughout their lives. And we celebrate the bond of love between a brother and a sister. So it is a very special day for me as a sister, and yeah, I'm praying for the success of my brothers throughout their lives, and celebrating this festival again, reliving all those childhood memories, wearing a beautiful sari, jewelry and makeup. So today this is the theme of my look. I'm using all the colors together, a beautiful Rakhi look. Let's see the swatches. I'm going to use these 4 shades today. Actually, starting with a matte beige, a golden, you can call it a white gold, a muted red and a green. Okay, this green is not a grassy green, it's not a forest green, it is a sea green. So if you have anything similar to this shade, go ahead, and if you do not have anything similar to this shade, and if you have green, you can use that green shade in your look and create a lovely look. Okay, so let's get started. First I'm going to use a fluffy brush, and I'm taking that matte buttery beige shade all over my lid and giving it a nice and clean base. I'm pairing this look with my Indian costume, and you can wear anything that you like to wear. This look is not only for Indian costume, it will definitely go with any kind of attire. Okay, you can pair it with a sari, you can pair it with a dress, anything you would like to wear. Now I'm going to apply that white gold shade all over my lid using my finger. I love all the festivals. I love to celebrate, I love to get all dressed up for the festival, for the special occasion, and today I am remembering everything that I used to do on this special occasion. I will get up early in the morning, I will get all dressed up, and I'll be very excited to tie the Rakhi, which is like a friendship band, on the wrist of my brothers and get lots of gifts from them, and eat delicious traditional food. So everything, I'm just going back to that memory lane. Okay, now I have patted that white gold shade on the lids. My green, this green shade is also pretty unique. I'm using it to create a very beautiful greenish eye look. I'm going to wear this look today not only with my sari but also with a beautiful dress. How about you trying this look today? Now I'm going to take the muted red. I really want to use that red in a pinpointed way. Starting from the innermost corner, I'm connecting it to the crease area and bringing it towards the outer corner of my lids, like this. I love festivals a lot. You know why? Because all the family and friends come together again, and we take some time off from our busy schedules, and we meet each other, greet each other, enjoy food, enjoy wearing nice clothes, and good vibes. Okay, so today, if you notice, I have started my red from the innermost corner, and then I took it on the crease area. Then I actually brought it down a little, and along with my lash line, I'm pulling it to the outer corner of my eyelid. So like this, using the red a little bit more. And now I'm going to blend it a little bit more. Just a little bit, not too much, because you know I do not want to lose any of the colors. Okay, now I'm going to take that white gold shade one more time and dab it on the center part of my lid. It's a very quick look because it happens with me that whenever it is a festival day or any special occasion, I hardly get enough time to play with colors. So I usually come up with a look which is pretty quick, pretty easy, and also gorgeous at the same time. I don't have to spend a lot of time blending, but I get a gorgeous look. Quick, easy, simple, right? Now a little bit more, because what I always say, pat it, build it, blend it. That's the way to go, my friends. Then I'm applying eyeshadows on my lids. Okay, now again I'm going to take that green because that is a very, very pretty shade, and right there with my smallest brush. Okay, overlapping with that white gold and connecting it with the red. See, it's a pretty unique combination, isn't it? But it is looking gorgeous. Now I'm going to take that red shade one more time, connect it, and a very pinpointed, precise application here, because I really want to stick to that beautiful shade. Do you see that? The arrow effect on my inner corners today. Isn't it nice? I think it is. Grab your colors and let's get started. Alright, last time, that white gold. Dab, 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 dab. Dab, 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 dab. Okay, a little bit overlap. Look at that. Gorgeous. Okay, now I'm going to take these three shades, and how about me trying the green and the white gold on my lower lash line. We will use the red on the upper lids today. I'm in a very joyous mood today. The green and taking the white gold towards the inner corners of my lower lash line and overlapping that with the green. Okay, and today I'm going to take that white gold shade right there, right next to my red, and now I'm going to use the shade I first started with, that buttery shade, and yeah, why not? Just to add a little bit of more inner pop, using the same shade on my brow bones as well, and finishing up the look with, you know, my favorite black kajal and black liquid liner. Then curling the lashes, couple of coats of mascara, and then I will join you. Okay, my friends, I'm back. Liner is on, kajal is on, and couple of coats of mascara. So that's the finished look. Now I'm going to do a little bit more with that red. You know, that red is really looking beautiful in the innermost corner. So I'm going to use that red a little bit more and finish it right here. Okay, I'm really liking that arrow effect on the innermost corners today. Okay, and using a smudge brush again, dipping into that green, I'm going to intensify this area. Okay, today I'm wearing a thick liner because I really wanted to try that, and now I'm going to just intensifying that green on the outermost corner and along with the winged liner. Okay, so that I can see a lot of green right there. You see that? Okay, my friends, that is my finished look. I'm pretty happy with the look. Very happy actually. I hope you like the look, and I really hope you like this look, and I hope that you would play with these colors and let me know about your makeup experiences with these colors. This is a pretty unique combination to me. I'm really hoping that you know, I could wear these kind of combinations pretty often, and I could share these kind of looks with all of you pretty often. And you all know that you are welcome to my channel, Soma's Makeup Diary, and watch fun makeup tutorials every single day. I'll be right here, right back with all of you tomorrow with another fun makeup tutorial, and hopefully the combination would be unique again. And today's theme, yeah, the Indian sari. I am going to celebrate the festival. Now I am in that celebration mode because I'm all dressed up, and yeah, have fun, enjoy your Saturday, enjoy this whole weekend, celebrate your makeup, colors, and be creative with the color. Enjoy playing with these colors, rock the look, have a great weekend, and have fun. Bye. See you soon. And don't forget to subscribe Soma's Makeup Diary. Okay? Thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time, your patience, and your encouragement. Thanks a lot.